Hello, in this video I'll show you how you will add an Amazon product to your Seller Central, to your Amazon account for selling. That's called Me Too. That is how to Me Too a product on Amazon page to your Seller Central. So simply, if you want to sell an item, suppose these are laptops, and suppose I want to sell this laptop, HP Spectre 14. I want to sell this laptop. I want to add to my inventory. So simply I will click on it. Then there are two ways of this item to add to my inventory. First of all, I will select this option, sell on Amazon, and this will take me to my Seller Central. And the second method is by copying this ASIN. Copy this and then paste it in your Seller Central. Here, add a product, seller, and paste it here. Okay. So we will go step by step. First of all, I'll apply first method. So click on sell on Amazon. Yes, click on Amazon. Here we go. Then I'll choose my marketplace and my store, and then it will take me to my store. And then here we go. Just type in your SKU number, and then your price, whatever you want to sell it on. I want to sell it on this price, 4,490. That's my price. And the quantity, you can put any quantity of the product you have. This only for it's a demo, so that's why I want to put 0 quantity. I don't want to sell this product actually. Condition in my case is new. And fulfillment channels are, there are two types of fulfillment channels. One is by Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon, that's FBA, sorry. And another is the self-ship option, that is when an order comes. When I receive an order, then I will prepare the order, pack it, and put the label on, and then Amazon comes and picks it up. So that's called self-ship. So in my case, I do self-ship for such items. So I will select this and simply select this item, this option, save and finish. So it will be added to your inventory. And here, if you want to add some other attributes, so click on all attributes. So some other options will show up here, like handling time and start selling date, and these are all options if you want to add extra options. So I will select this option in my case, and then I will click save and finish. And here we go. HP Spectre 360, that's been added to my inventory. It will take 15 minutes to show up in my inventory. So how to check this item in my inventory? I will simply go to my Seller Central, click on 3 dots, click on second option, inventory, click on first option, manage all inventory. Here we go. You have your items that you have added to your inventory. Now we will come to the other method, that how to add the product to your inventory by the second method. Simply you need to copy the ASIN and paste it in your Seller Central. Here is the ASIN. I will copy it and simply paste it in your Amazon Seller Central. Click on the three dots, catalog, first option, add product, then paste it here. There we go. Click on search, and condition in my case is new. I can't sell used item of such products, so I can directly sell this product. If you because I have already got the approval of this product, of this laptop, so I don't need approval again. So if you didn't got the approval of this product or any other product, if you didn't got the approval, it's gated item, then this option will not show up to you. It will ask you for approval first, so you need to show the invoices to Amazon, and when the invoice is being accepted by Amazon, they will send you notification. So once they accept your invoices, then this option will show up in your account. So as I have already got the approval, so I will click on this option, sell this product, and we need to fill all this information, SKU and price. I'll select this price. Quantity, I'll put 0 because I don't want to sell this product actually. And condition in my case is new. I can't sell used items or refurbished. And my fulfillment channel is self-ship, so I will select this. I don't want to do FBA for this item, so this one, and click on save and finish. And if you want to add other attributes, other options, so click on all attributes, and you can add other options, other attributes as well, like maximum order quantity, handling time, and all these. So in my case, I will click on this option. So I have filled all these categories, and then click on save and finish, and here we go. Yes, updates have been submitted, and it will take 15 minutes to show up in your account. So how will check it in your account? Go to your Seller Central, three dots, inventory, manage all inventory, and here are your products that you have added. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Tech Uni, and like this video. Thank you very much.